Hi everyone, this is Sami here from Agronomy Solutions. Welcome to one more blog. Today we are standing at the site of Poly House. So we are coming up with a Poly House where we had left the place for especially for Poly House in the year 2019 when we made this water tank. Because I always had an idea that like I have to come up with a nice poly house where I could do the nursery in that poly house and supply it to the farmers, where we had a concept of farm to farmers concept, where I wanted to develop the genetic material of seed to our champion seed to our seed material should be multiplied. My aim was that, and our own aracanate seedling should be multiplied and supplied from farm to farmer. So today you can see here the trusses have all come here. Then the poles are all have come here. So here what we are trying to do is we are trying to build a poly house in this region where we have a opposite direction as we have a lake view. Ikadeinda bantu where we have a beautiful lake of us, where we have a lake view point. Now in this region we have a capacities of ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಿಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಫುಲ್ಲಾ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇವರು ಸೈಫುಲ್ಲಾ ಅಂತ. ಸೈಫುಲ್ಲಾ ಸುಮಾರು ಪಾಲಿ ಹೌಸಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು ಬೇಲೂರು, ಹಳೇಬೀಡು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಕಲೇಶ್ಪುರ ಕಾಫಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಕಡೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಿಡ ಕಾಫಿ ಕೂರಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 50,000 ಕೂರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೊಂದು
50,000ವರೆಗೂ
ಕೂರುತ್ತೆ.
ಬುಟ್ಟಿ ಕೂರಿಸ್ಬೋದಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ಸಿಗೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದಿದ್ದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
9740054817.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸತಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
9740054817.
Okay. So Saifullah, you can call him. You can call up at his number if you want to do a poly house. So our concept for farm to farmers of the plants and seed material we had in mind, and we were working in the year 2019. Now we are doing it still more professionally. Before we used to do ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಚಪ್ರ ಹಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಲ್ವಾ, ಈಗ ಪಾಲಿ ಹೌಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So this is how it is. So as day by day the work gets progress, I'll be putting still more videos. I need your support. Please like my video, share my video, and please do not forget to comment on the video. If anyone who's interested to make a poly house in their estates to develop their own nurseries, please comment on it so that like we can exchange the thoughts so that like we can improve ourselves. So Agronomy Solutions is all about agriculture is our culture. Krishi hai namma samskruti. Well, let's meet on the next blog. Thank you.